In this video, I'm going to be showing you what are the best property management softwares in 2024. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So first, what is a property management software? So it is a digital platform designed to help property managers, landlords, and real estate professionals efficiently manage their properties. So it centralizes tasks such as tenant and lease management, rent collection, maintenance requests, and financial reporting. By automating this function, the PMS improves operational efficiency, enhances tenant communication, and provides valuable insights through data and analytics. So it's used for managing various property types, including residential, commercial, and vacation rentals. So the first property management software or website that I will be recommending you is the AppFolio. So AppFolio is also a PMS, so it is a comprehensive PMS designed for both residential and commercial property managers. So it offers an all-in-one solution that simplifies complex property management tasks, such as tenant screening and maintenance tracking, so through a user-friendly interface. So AppFolio also provides a powerful mobile app allowing property managers to handle their operations from anywhere, enhancing productivity and responsiveness. So, what makes this app Polio website a good property management software? So, it has this key features, which is online rent collection that streamlines rent payments with various online methods, reducing late payments and manual tracking. Also, maintenance management that tracks and manages maintenance requests efficiently, ensuring timely resolution, and also a mobile app. So it offers a fully featured mobile app that enables property managers to access critical tools and data on the go. Now, the next website is Buildium. So Buildium is a leading property management software tailored for residential properties, offering essential tools for property managers and landlords. The platform simplifies daily tasks like lease management and tenant communication, making it easier to manage properties and tenants. So, Buildium's intuitive design and robust features help improve operational efficiency and tenant satisfaction, making it a trusted choice for property professionals. Also, the key features of this property management software is lease management. So, it simplifies lease tracking and renewals with automated reminders and easy document management. Next is online payments. So, it facilitates secure online rent and fee payments with automated tracking. Last but not least is Resident Portal. So it provides tenants with a portal to view leases, pay rent, and submit maintenance requests, enhancing transparency and communication. Next is Hostfully. So Hostfully is a property management platform designed specifically for vacation rental properties. So it helps property managers optimize bookings, automate guest communications, and provide a superior guest experience. Hostfully also offers digital guidebooks which enhance the guest experience by providing personalized recommendations and property details. The platform is ideal for vacation rental managers looking to scale their operations and improve guest satisfaction. So the key features of this website is centralized calendar. So it manages bookings from multiple platforms in one unified calendar, reducing double bookings. Next feature is guest communication. So it automates guest messaging, including booking confirmations and check-in instructions. And the last but not least feature is guidebooks. So it a custom digital guidebooks that provide guests with local recommendations and essential property information. Next is Inago. So Inago is a user-friendly property management software tailored for small landlords and property managers. So it offers essential tools for managing rental properties such as online rent collection and lease management without the complexity or high costs of more advanced systems. So Inago's simplicity and affordability make it an excellent choice for landlords with smaller property portfolios who need an efficient, easy to use solution. So the key features of this website is online rent collection. So it simplifies rent payments by enabling tenants to pay online with automatic tracking and reminders. Next is lease management, so provides easy to use tools for creating, managing, and signing leases electronically. Next is tenant screening, so integrated tools for background checks and credit screenings, helping landlords select reliable tenants. And the last property management software is Doorloop. So, Doorloop is an all in one property management software designed to simplify the management of residential, commercial, and mixed use properties. So, its intuitive interface and comprehensive features such as automated rent collection and maintenance tracking make it a powerful tool for property managers. Doorloop also offers robust accounting integration, helping property managers maintain accurate financial records and streamline operations. So the key features of this property management software is rent collection. So it automates rent collection and tracking, maintenance management. So it manages maintenance requests from start to finish, including task assignments and progress tracking, and accounting integration. So provides full accounting features such as invoicing and expense tracking directly within the platform. So, those are the best property management softwares. So, in conclusion, property management software has evolved into a critical asset for property managers, landlords, and real estate professionals, offering a streamlined and efficient approach to handling the complexities of property management. Whether managing a portfolio of residential, commercial, or vacation rental properties, these software solutions such as AppFolio, Buildium, Hostfully, Inago and Doorloop provide tailored features that cater to specific needs and preferences. By automating key tasks like rent collection, lease management, maintenance tracking, and tenant communication, these platforms significantly reduce administrative burdens and operational costs. Moreover, the ability to access real time data, generate detailed reports, and facilitate seamless communication with tenants enhances decision making and improves overall tenant satisfaction. So, the comprehensive mobile capabilities of these platforms further empower property managers to operate more flexibly and responsively, ensuring that they can manage their properties effectively from anywhere. So, as the property management industry becomes increasingly competitive and tech driven, selecting the right software becomes a strategic decision that can profoundly impact a property's success and growth. So each of these platforms represents a vital tool in the modern property manager's toolkit, driving efficiency, boosting tenant satisfaction, and ultimately contributing to the long term success of property management businesses. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.